How to find if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually find out if someone has blocked you on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to find out if someone has actually blocked you on Snapchat, what you need to do is just go ahead and open up Snapchat. So maybe you're not being able to send a message to one person, maybe you're not being able to communicate with them at all, and then you want to figure out if there's actually blocked you, right? So the first thing you have to do is you can just come to your friends tab or add a new friend option and try to find that specific friend you doubt. So just go ahead and then actually enter the username. So if they pop up over here because you're sure that you know the username, I'm sure that it's not really that the case. And the other is, if you find the add button, means that they've removed you from their friends list. And then other thing you want to do is simply go to that person's profile page over here. So once you come to your profile page over here, if you most likely see the option called snap score over here, as you can see the number of snap score that this person has, it means that they has not done anything to you. But if there are no snap score, then it simply says add friend, or maybe when you type on add friend as well, you're not being able to find their name or so on. That simply means that they have blocked you. So these were the scenarios as to how you can figure out if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.